How to view player stats in the Fantasy Premier League app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here if you want to check out detailed player stats right from your phone, well in this video I'll show you how to view player stats in the official Fantasy Premier League app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the Fantasy tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as player statistics. So simply tap on it, and after that on the new page you'll see all the list of the players. So here you can just tap on any player name from the search result to open their detailed profile, and here you will see important stats like total points, goals scored, assist, clean sheets, bonus point, upcoming fixtures, and you can also scroll down and use the filter to see stats from previous game weeks and compare player performance. And that's it. That's how you can view player status in the Fantasy Premier League app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.